Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2016 66 Reg 420D M Sport 2-door coupe. As you can see, the vehicle is presented in Alpine White. It does also come with a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit alongside some very sought after BMW options. We've added the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels to the vehicle that we've just had professionally refurbished in the original Bi-Orbit Grey. Sitting just behind those wheels you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this 4 Series we've got the full M Sport Plus package. At the front of the car you can see the Angel Eye and xenon headlamps. Down the side of the vehicle you'll be able to see not only this wonderful Alpine White, but we've got the BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls and matching sidebars. And again, thanks to the Plus package, you will see these sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Inside the car we've got a full black Dakota leather which comes with the electric lumbar and heated seat options, and of course thanks to that M Plus package once again you do get the Harman Kardon surround sound. And for rear passengers in this vehicle you'll find a Isofix rear bench with the central folding armrest and storage tray, alongside of course the darkened M Sport headlining once again, all of which is in superb condition. Round towards the back of the car, once again we'll show you those 19-inch wheels which really do suit this Alpine White colour and the 4 Series in general. At the back we've opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and then a satin rear diffuser on this 4 Series. If you've not yet seen the boot capacity, of course the 4 Series is a fantastic driving vehicle, however it needs to be a practical one as well, and having such a big boot means it's the all-around great package that it is. Around at the driver's side, once again everything's lovely and clean and tidy, and the Alpine White really does shine very nicely, especially for a white colour, and works extremely well with all of the additions we've added. Taking a seat on board now, we'll quickly go through a couple of the interior features, beginning with the professional wide navigation and media screen. So as you can see, we've currently just got the DAB list open. There is also a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including the music collection, AUX and USB, as well as Bluetooth audio. Of course, you do get Bluetooth telephone. In terms of utilising the sat-nav system, having that bigger screen is of course a huge benefit. It is a really easy system to get to grips with, is the BMW one. It's nice, quick and easy, and there is also real-time traffic updates giving you alerts to any issues when you're out and about. Back at the main menu, we'll go ahead and check out the service requirements in just 1 second. You can see down here your dual climate control system along with the switches for the front heated seats. It's covered just over 40,000 miles. There is also cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, and we've also got the pedals for that 8-speed sports automatic gearbox I was mentioning at the start of the video. As you can see there, the next oil service isn't due for 19,000 miles time, so you are maintenance free for a long time on this wonderful car. Back at service history, there's 2 recorded services from BMW, so there is a look around another magnificently presented and very well cared for 420D M Sport. If you'd like some more information on the car, as always, follow the links I'll leave in the description. Head on over to the website, and from there you can view all of the prices and the funding options that are available. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see you all very soon. Bye bye.